The modulus function simply returns the absolute or positive value of the number input. Here we have a modulus function with a domain. If we put 4 into the modulus function, 4 is already a positive number, so the return is 4. If we put 1 in a similar fashion, 1 is a positive number, so the return from the function is 1. But if we put -3 into the function, we need to return the absolute or positive value. So -3 becomes 3. 0 will just remain as 0. If we put -1.2 into the function, we need to have the absolute value, which is 1.2. So we lose the negative. For pi, which is already positive, we just get a return of pi. So just looking at this again, the positive numbers that were input, 4, 1 and pi, just returned 4, 1 and pi. 0 returned itself, and the negative numbers -3 and -1.2 returned their positive values.